I'm a better father than you, Tom.
Huh?
I don't know. I'm just gonna. Hey, oh, look behind you. Look.
Oh, wait, which one's the look?
It's Jacob.
Look.
It's Jacob, and he's twerking, and he's naked, and oh my god, he's throwing it back. He's actually throwing it back.
Wait, what?
I gotta go.
I'm getting you. Ow. But, oh no, he's too fast. He's too fast.
I'm on half a. I'm on half a heart.
Oh no, I really got to catch up to you now.
I'm on half a heart. I need a tree.
There we go. Nah, you don't know, but this is my strategy to winning. Laugh all you want. But we're manhunting right now.
We are.
Maybe the true manhunt was the friends we made along the way.
Oh no!
I can't hit you.
I'm on half a heart! I'm on half a heart!
Ah.
I'm genuinely on half a heart.
See, I told you the acacia log would get you.
I need some food right about now.
Really? How strange.
I need some food right about now.
But wait.
Oh, hi Tom. I'm just gonna sneak by.
Fuck. Hey. I told you the acacia log would get you, man.
Wait, hold on. Let's start over. Let's start. No, we're not starting over. It never happened. We're cutting that out. By the way, I was saying I need some food right about now.
Really? Well, you should maybe mine that piece of stone. And who knows? Maybe you could get some I don't know, cooked beef.
Oh my god! The new Minecraft event is crazy.
Yeah, you roast beef, or bro? Nah. You got some dream levels, look.
I'm going to go kill the Ender Dragon. Oh.
I decided I might give you fuck.
Oh my god! I just hit the sickest clutch in the world! Oh my god! Now I'm stuck in it.
Nah. Yeah, but what you didn't anticipate was that was all part of my master plan. Because you see, in this situation, I am James Bond and you are the Golden Gun.
What does that mean?
Huh? Man, you won't get it. Because you're not a true Brit like I am. Your parents, right? Do they have teeth?
Yeah.
Phony. You're a fake, you're a fraud. Hell, if you look back 2 generations, your grandma probably lived in Kenya.
My dad has a gold tooth.
Are all his teeth gold teeth?
No.
They ain't a true Spaniard, is he? We're all pirates round here.
Oh my
all
god.
Swashbuckling in 7 season.
Oh, I can't lie, Tom. I really need it. I really need another portal.
Damn, really?
Hold on. Not yet though. Not yet though.
I'm sure you haven't just mined some obsidian ore.
That's the wrong obsidian. Oh my god, Tom! I've been in the caves for a few minutes.
Really?
Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah.
No. Also, I'm kind of stupid. I'm in a shipwreck, searching for loot. I hope it's good loot. Full netherite! No way.
No way. I need to find a lava pool. I also need a water bucket. Hold on. Water bucket. There we go. Now I can hit
Now
I can hit these sick clutches and I can crank 90s. Are you ready for me to crank some 90s, Tom? Oh, yes. I'm so sick. Who are you?
Wrong one.
Oh, Tom, I'm dying for a spider.
Damn, that's tough. It's what I found in the shipwreck.
I gotta beat the ender dragon. Oh!
No!
Oh, you found me!
Yeah, with my leather horse armor too.
Oh no! This is so like interesting to watch,
bro.
What the hell is that? Why do you have that?
I found it in my shipwreck, bro.
Ghost armor trim, bro. Stay away from me. No, Tom, I'm on half a heart.
Bro, you gotta clutch this, bro.
I'm on half a heart. Hold on. Let me hit this clutch real quick. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's no way, guys. There's no way. Oh my god! I'm literally on the edge. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no, I'm being swept into the ocean by the tide. There's a tide in this area. It's really, really strong after 6 PM. And I can't swim. As my parents were poor and I could never afford swimming lessons. Help me! Help!
I'm making another portal, Tom. Oh, Tom, this nether portal's a bit bigger than usual. No, Tom!
No way!
I made a nether portal! With this
I've
lava
got
pool
melon! You see, I'm in the jungle, so I'm the sort of person that likes that. No way!
Oh my god, you found my portal!
Oh my god!
You found my portal!
I'm not hungry enough to eat shit, can't lie. Why does it take so long?
Why is it taking long? Oh, there
this fucking thing up. Right.
I can't see anything. We need to go deeper. What the hell?